Hey, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be cooking for you today, I'm going to be making some potatoes in my 12-inch lodge with some bacon and some peppers and some onions. Real simple side dish, something great on the grill while you're doing your hot dogs and hamburgers. So let me put a pound of bacon in, and let me get that crisping up, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, that bacon's cooking real good right now. I've got 3 russet potatoes. Let me add these in here that I diced up, and I'll cook these down just a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and some pepper to it, and I'll be back with you as soon as this part's done. Alright, these potatoes are softening up real nice. They're getting browned up. So the last part I'm going to do, I've got about 8 ounces of these sweet onions, and underneath there I got half of a white onion. If you can see, I chopped that up. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to stir everything around. I'm going to wait till the onions get translucent, and as soon as they're translucent, this meal's going to be done. So I'll be right back when this is done, and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. If you guys like my recipes and everything and like what I'm doing, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Please leave comments. I truly appreciate all the comments. I try to respond to each and every one of them. I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes. Alright, the onions are done, so are the sweet peppers. As you can tell, everything looks real good. The potatoes are real soft. They've browned up. They've soaked up a lot of that bacon grease. So I'm going to call this done. I'm going to get me a plate of this. I'll definitely let it cool down before I do my taste test. If you guys watched my video a couple Wednesdays ago on my stuffed peppers, didn't let them cool down, that hurt. So I'll see you all here in a few minutes for my taste test. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this turned out great. These potatoes are super soft. The bacon smells delicious. Sweet peppers. Great side dish you all really need to try next time you're out grilling. You all have a blessed day, and thank you very much for watching.